Make this motorcycle a little bit more functional. Genuine Royal Enfield canvas bags. Here. Straps right there. Velcro. What do you guys think? Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Today I'm here with my Meteor 350 Supernova Brown. Just picked this motorcycle up. I've had them before. I love them. They're super friendly, super easy to drive. I love how they look. But today I wanted to do something that's gonna make this motorcycle a little bit more functional. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I got genuine Royal Enfield Paniers. They're canvas bags. So they're Panier stays. They're Panier stays, which I'm gonna put right here. And these ones should go right here. These are the coffee brown Paniers or canvas bags. I'm pretty excited to go install them. Let's go do that. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before I install, I wanna go over the bag a little bit. They are canvas bags that they're gonna go right there on the side there, and I got stays for it, and I thought it'd go with the color pretty well. You can see the back of the bag there, and you can lift it up here, as well as it has a strap so you can carry it like as a to-go bag after you install it. So let me go install it. We'll do this step by step. I'll show you how it's done. And these are waterproof. That's what they look like on the inside. They feel waterproof. Cool, let's get it on. Some of the parts you're gonna need. So that's really the mainstay. This one will come out. I'll show you how that goes. You got 2 on each side. You got a couple new longer bolts. Okay, parts list that I figured out after getting one side on. You're gonna need a 17mm socket. I'm using a breaker bar and wrench. You're gonna need both a 13mm and a 12mm wrench and socket. You're also gonna need a 6mm and 5mm Allen wrench key and socket and some blue or red thread lock. And how it's really gonna fit is right here. And then this will come on the end here. Actually, I will probably put these ones on first. Guessing these are 12mm as well too. I think it'll be easier to put on all together. So they fit on like this. Might wanna consider putting Loctite on these, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go get my socket. One. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's get this one off first, the shock tower. I'm gonna get my breaker bar, 17mm. Okay, note to self, don't take it off the whole way. Just a little bit, that's all you need. Let me show you. You can see all you need is just a little bit of room. I got the bolt on there still. So you just need a little bit of room to slide it on. Next thing I'll do, I'll take this off and that one off. This one feels like it has Loctite in there, so I might put Loctite on my new one. We'll see. Yeah, it has red Loctite. I'm gonna put Loctite on the new. It's definitely longer, so I'll put red Loctite on there. All I got's blue, that should be okay. There's a hole right there. That's what this piece is for. So, I just gotta put this one through that hole. So, here. Go ahead and put this nut on. I think I might want to get a lock washer on that one behind there. Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of blue Loctite on this longer piece here. You don't have to put a bunch in there. And put it in. Now, screw this one in slightly. Oh, it's a different size. 6, sorry. The original was a 6, this is a 5. Let's tighten that up. All right, before I go crazy, I'm gonna tighten this one up. The 17mm back there. Okay, that's good. Now we get the bottom one on. Let's go get a 13. That is that. This was on nice and steady. I'll show you what it looks like with the bag. I got both sides on. Literally, once you know how to do it, should take about 20 minutes at most. There you go. These still come up. Let's get the bags on now. There you go. Cool. Bag comes like this. It's probably easier to mount like this. So you have one Velcro on the bottom. Looks like it goes around the 2 bars at the bottom. And then you have 3 straps which go along the top. Clean that up a little. All right. Let me show you how it's looking. So you have these 3 straps right there. Then you have a bottom Velcro. You can see these get tucked in right there. Right, there it is. Both of them are on. They're empty, so it's not looking perfect. But let's get it outside so you can see in the sunlight how it looks on the bike and what it's like. All right, guys. There they are on the motorcycle. Coffee brown. They're pretty big, actually. Bigger than I thought. They can carry a lot of stuff. Waterproof bags on the Meteor 350 with the stays. I'm gonna take it for a spin. What do you guys think? You can get different colors. There's green and kind of tealy, and also some like just straight cotton canvasy looking ones. So you can get them. They are General Royal Enfield. Again, you're probably going to take about 30 minutes to install from bolt to bolt, especially if you watch this video. You could probably get done in 15 minutes. What do you guys think? All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Hopefully you guys liked this quick install of the Royal Enfield, genuine Royal Enfield canvas saddlebags and stays on the Meteor 350. Again, I do all things motorcycle, a lot of Royal Enfield, a lot of other motorcycle stuff. So please like and subscribe for that. We'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.